talking about your perspective on life and women. In a positive way.
In a positive way.
In a positive way. What would you teach a man growing up? How to deal with woman, money, future, children,
Alright.
without having anything specific to say?
Alright, woman, I think, with my experience, I think you should deal with a woman the way she deal with you. Understand? And that's, when you do that, you're on a safe road. Because push come to shove and she decide that she gonna leave, you won't have to get to the point where you're gonna have to stalk her. Because what you're gonna look at now, you're gonna look at that she use you. But you allow yourself to be used, because I don't think, with my experience, I could tell any young man, I don't think you should give up your money like that. Believe you can buy a woman. Because when that time comes for that woman to leave, she's gonna leave you no matter what. Even if you have the whole lot of money. You should just get somebody who care about you the way you care about them. And you treat them the way they treat you. You know, and if you find that you don't on a level plate, you try hard to make it work. If it can't work, leave it alone. Just accept it for where it is. You know what I mean? Like me now, the woman that I used to date.
You don't have to be specific, because somebody's gonna see this.
Yeah, but I'm not going in there. They're independent women, like what you say that man talk. They work. And when they work and you work, it's much easier to deal with anything that's come financially.
Yes, sir.
Because the burden is not on one person. Because when the burden is on one person, then you have problems. You have serious problems. You understand? You can physically destroy the person with a man or woman. And you know the man has a woman to say, yes, I am a man, so I'm going to stand up to this responsibility. And then he take care of that. Next thing he come out, another one come out, gonna take care of that. And after a while, it is literally draining financially, mentally, physically, everything that's drained away from him. You know? So, you just have to use your own judgment with your relationship. Whatever you can handle, deal with it. You know? But relationship don't stay like how it used to be before. That's how I feel. You know? It's all good and nice when it starts. But after a period of time,
Wears
change.
out.
Yes, people change. Man change, woman change, you know? Man don't see the woman attractive like he used to be no more. The woman don't bust a bump in his face no more. The woman don't kiss him no more. The man, you know, everything just go to the shovel. You just wind down to nothing, you know?
Let's talk about formula to success. I noticed your focus on land. Land was one of your main focus of success.
Yeah.
Land ownership. Talk on that a little.
All right. The thing why I choose, take a second. The thing why I choose land is this, that. All right. I didn't have the choice to go to college in America. I never choose to go to college in America. You know what I mean? So what I did is this, that I would say like this. If I never get an occupation in America that I can live by later on in life, what I'm gonna do, and thank God for my dad. He's the one who put it in my head. He said, Lambert, let me tell you what you do. You having this money in the bank and things like that, yes, it's good. But listen what you're gonna have to do. You're gonna have to go ahead and invest this money. And the best way to do it is to go ahead and buy some property. Because if you buy the land and 10, 15 years time you don't feel like coming back to America, you can sell it and make a big profit. You know? So I take that. My dad was smart. He was very smart. Yeah. For his, I was looking at him and tell him that, you know, you could be a lawyer. He could read pretty good. He teach us to read. And you know, he's coming from the old school. And when he puts something together, he will put it together, and you will succeed from it, because he think about it. And he also tell me another thing is this, that you must have a backup plan. You know, if you don't have a backup plan with everything that you do, you must have a backup plan. If you don't need it, it's all good, but suppose you need it. What you're gonna do? You're gonna be standing there struggling, thinking what you're gonna do next. You must have a back. So he tell me, go ahead and buy land. Land stop make. Land can't move. Nobody can own the land as long as you buy it the right way. You know, so and then buying the first piece of land, it get me addicted. It get me very much addicted. in buying lands.
Yes.
You know, because after I buy the first piece of land, all my mind telling me is to buy more. Because I'm looking at 20 years down the line. You see what I mean? If it value this now, and the funny thing, I underestimate it because I say if it value this now, in 20 years time, all you have to do is if you buy $1 million, just put $20 million on it, or $1 million a year, 20 years. And you see where you're at, so you buy the land. So, and after that, I feel comfortable buying lands. You know? So I do it. And alright, the first one that I sold, this money was so sweet that I couldn't believe it. Because I bought it for 1.9 million Jamaican dollars. That's almost 20,000 US. Put it like that. And it took me almost about 6 or 7 years to pay for that land. And when I come home, get the title and everything, and when I come home and put it up for sale, it value 66,000 US. I sold it back to my daughter for $4 million. Which she used the same tactics that she asked me what you doing, daddy, and I tell him what she used the same tactics on me. Alright, I'm gonna give you 20,000 US dollars now, dad, and then I'm gonna call my husband. I'm gonna tell him I'm gonna buy this land. That's my decision to buy the land, and this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna give you $20,000 and we're gonna pay you as time goes by. I'm like, yeah, I don't want my money like this. She's like, you're gonna take your money like this. Because I don't have all the money one time. So it's the same tactics I use on people, that's the same tactics she uses on me. Only she can't use it. Anybody else I would tell them, hell no. Let it. Yeah, you know.
Yes,
So,
what do you think she's gonna say when she sees this video?
gonna be like, yeah, but you know, funny about it. One time she was writing a book, you know, on my life. Because I was telling her of all the things I've been through, the real dirty things, man. I can't talk on this. And he said, Dad, you know what? I don't think I'm the right person to write this. I can't handle it. My head starts hurting me. Because I can't believe you do these things. I'll be like, you're writing a book, right? So you're supposed to put everything.
Yes,
He
yes.
said, no, I can't do it. Get somebody else to do it. So, well, now in life, you know, I tell her, because she's a good DJ, you know.
Yeah.
She's like, write lyrics and everything like that. I like, you know, all this time you're a good DJ, and I didn't want to promote you. By now we would have a little mini series, and you would be making all the big monies, them and everything like that. What's going on with that? He said, Dad, I give up that. Yeah, my job is to lock up people.
She's a police now.
Yeah, she's a correction officer. Move up to a parole officer. So she said, when she see this now, she gonna say, you get your fame now, you finally get your big boss, daddy. Yeah, me tell you, say one day me there go to on TV, you know, you think that, bro.
On the internet, on
Yeah, and it's not anything bad. You watch.
No, they're gonna look. You see, you are well informed.
Yep.
The channel Jamaica Good Life
Yes.
is about trying to get rid of the fear abroad.
Mm-hmm.
We're really trying to secure Jamaica.
But to be honest with you, you can never get rid of it, you know, and you can minimize it.
Yes.
Yeah, because your show now with a lot of them who have the little bit of fear, open their eyes to the big picture.
Let me tell you, bro, they have a lot of fear.
Well, a lot of fear, man.
About 10,000 we convinced to come back home.
Oh, man.
Our show convinced them to come back home because we want them to own land in Jamaica.
Right.
You see all the foreign investors taking over. So our method of regaining our country is regaining the minds of our people.
Yeah.
So once we got their minds, we got their money to reinvest, build our nation.
Yes, man.
So that's what Jamaica Good Life is really
man.
about. Showing the positive and not dwelling on the negative.
And not on the negative. And Jamaicans, they dwell on the negative too much, you know. They look at it like, oh, I remember when I was here, the guy next door, he kill the whole line family, and he kill his friend them, and me not really want that happen to me, so me now go back. Let me tell you, you can die anywhere. Anywhere. You understand? It's harder to get a gun in Jamaica more than America. And it's easier to use a gun in America more than you eat. Most of them are hungry, they're hungry why they use them gun in Jamaica. Yeah. But you can't use gun
Jamaica
anywhere.
is so it's so untouched, and a large part of it is untouched.
Yep.
the natural essence of it is still amazing.
Yeah. You still have your freedom, you know.
Let's talk about the medical system.
Oh no, Jesus! Do we have to touch that? That's terrible.
I went to a private hospital when a friend of mine had her shoulder slipped out. We paid our $50 to be seen by a doctor in a matter of minutes, and then they addressed the issue, and it would cost us about $100 to put her arm back in the socket, which was pretty cheap.
Right.
You go to America, that's a $20,000 bill or a $10,000 bill.
Oh yeah.
U.S.
But it really depends on the doctor you get to, you know, and the institution you go. Because some doctors really serious about the job. They're not there for the money. You have some of them straight money. You go to the public hospital, they treat you like dogs. That's the only thing that ever scared me out here. You know, and I said to myself, thank God I don't have to be in treat, because when my time come, I'm gonna just cut off and leave. And that's it. Because when they go there, they don't treat you like how they treat you in America. You know, when you're in pain in America, they are there for you. You understand? Out here, sit down over there, we soon come to you, and you could have ball del die kingdom come, they don't come.
Yes.
You understand?
So that's one of the major challenges.
One of the major challenges. The thing about it is this, that which a lot of people don't know, although it's expensive. If you set yourself good and you come over here and you're sick in Mandeville, you can go and get medical attention as if you was in New York. Because if you go to, they have the hospital, Hargraves Hospital down in Mandeville.
That's where we went. We went there.
Expensive too, but it's good, you know. Because I see my mom, the sugar, when she was alive, she never want to live with nobody. So what happened, the sugar level dropped. And she passed out, and she stayed there from the night until the morning. And went over there and looked and find her and take her to the hospital. And give her 3 shots, and then she's back up in no time. Whoa. Sugar level come back up. Now if you take her to the public hospital, they're gonna tell her she's over there, and the next thing you know, she's not gonna die because her time don't come. So what's gonna happen now? The brain gonna shut down because the oxygen ain't gonna go to the brain, and you're gonna shut down. So now, if she have to live for the next 2 years, she's gonna live in a vegetation stage. Wow. You understand? That's the repercussion you're gonna get from not getting treated when you're supposed to get treated.
So you have to set yourself right.
Yeah, you have to set yourself right. Now, if you go to Hargraves Hospital, they treat you like America. They have all the equipment, all the doctors, all the nurses, and they treat you because your money tell you your asset, not even asset, but your money tell you where you stand in Jamaica. You understand? Your money. And that's bad because you're really taking people's life in your hand and doing what you feel like and weighing it by an extra $1. You know, my mom stayed in the hospital and it cost $300,000. That's $3,000 US. But they know they were getting their money, so what they do, they keep her even an extra day, and every day they keep her $100,000. You know, when they do what they do, and they could just get rid of her and send her out. All the family have money. Yeah, we keep her 2 more days. You know, so the medical thing over here is rough, man. It's rough. You know, it's a good thing most people over here eating good, so they don't get sick too often to go to the doctor. You know, but just live with you. You can't get everything. You know what I mean? In America, you have the stress of paying bills, the stress of everything. Over here, you relax, but when you come to the medical, you know,
it's a challenge.
Yeah, it's a challenge. So you have challenges in everywhere you go to live. You have challenges. You go to the doctor now and then. I go to the doctor and tell them say you have cancer and spending no money. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna just live my life and enjoy my rest of my life, and that's it. It don't make no sense, you know, because you're gonna go and they're gonna take everything from you. They know they can't help you. You know, America, they will do whatever they have to do and say, all right, you know what, we're gonna get somebody to come to your house and take care of you, because if you reach a stage where you reach maybe level 4, level 5, that's it. But it's nice out here, man.
This is
Alligator Pond Road leading into Little Ochi.
And
road bad, as usual. We have that out here.
Yes.
Yes, terrible roads. But people will drive the car to have fun. And where we're going now is the hot spot, the village, the fish village hot spot, the Manchester and St. Elizabeth borderline.
Better have a good time in Jamaica.
Yeah. That's why the SUV them doing good now. because the roads are terrible. So you use an SUV and you're pretty good. Down here, during the week it's quiet. Starting tomorrow now, this time you come down here, you see pots everywhere, fire. You can get food, cook. We're gonna go show you over the beach and then we're gonna come back here. Police station. That's the police station. It's like a house.
What's the name of the station?
Yeah. What one? Alright, good. Everything good. Everywhere we go, somebody knows me now.
Busy.
Yeah.
Yes, right.
Yeah, me, I'll go over there in a minute. So, see, here we go with the boat. These are the boats that they go to.
Okay.
And they go overnight. Out in the sea, and they spend a night over there. They drop the nets them, and they go back like 2 days, go and fish it, pull in the nets. But these boats are the boats that supply the village, the fishing village, with all the fish and the lobster and everything like that. And then you have a restaurant here. And then over that side, you have little Ochi over that side. That's the really good. Yeah, when you hear about little Ochi, I'm gonna just carry you over there, go show you because I'm not going there. I don't eat over there.
Oh, okay, good.
Because I like my own cook.
Yeah, you just get your fish.
Ah.
What's that building? Is that the Alpine?
Yeah, that's the port. Yeah, that. Yeah, yeah. It was on the other side around here.
Okay.
And so what happened now is that you can see maybe the bar going out. They come in with the cargo ships them and put the aluminum inside of it, and it shipped out from the aluminum plant. So yeah, so that's Port Kaiser over there.
We're in St. Elizabeth.
Yeah, we are in. You didn't say St. Elizabeth.
St.
Manchester, St. Elizabeth.
Manchester.
Right.
Both.
Both, the border.
At
Alligator Park.
Alligator Park.
Yeah. Great eating spot for fish and lobster, conch and everything.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How do you cook your lobster?
Well,
Boil it?
Yeah, boil my lobster. I don't like fried lobster. I don't like because you really kill the lobster like that.
Oh,
Yeah,
so
you
it's
dry out
just
the
because
lobster.
you don't get the nice succulent
Nice.
sauce.
So what you
Put
do?
butter on it.
Yeah,
Good.
yeah. So what you do, you cut up all the, put the lobster in the pot, get all the seasoning, put it in, and then literally like steam the lobster. And when you steam the lobster, you get that flavor from the lobster. Because you don't have that burning where it dried out, you know? So that's what we do.
Nice. I like the fish. Yeah, it's clean too. Yeah, it's clean. I like it. The idea of fresh fish. What kind of fish you are planning to buy?
Depends on what you want, but mostly like a snapper.
You want video this? You don't want this tonight. Come.
What's that?
Let me tell you about this right here. That's what happens when the government don't spend the money right. Look, you never kill our people and that shit.
Yeah, man, them can do a better job.
Yeah, man. But sometimes, when this is like this, a government owning, so they can't put nothing solid there. Because government sell it and this side say, going to improve it. You are like a concrete structure. Yes, man, it's a pass. Alright, good. And everything gone to the waste. So they have to set it that they can get up and move when they're ready.
Where's your fish person?
Down in your house, you have over there.
Fish every day.
See, that's my fish lady there. That's his son. Me I go to that little lady right there. Sit down, that little black lady there. I'll go over there.
So this is your fish guy?
Yeah, man, I'm fish guy. See,
Wow.
they must say a big lobster, you know. This is my fish
Permission to record?
home.
No problem.
This is my good
I'm
friend.
Randy
I'm Dian, man.
from Jamaica Good Life on YouTube.
Yeah.
So you're gonna be global.
No problem.
Just make sure you don't pull out your gun or anything.
No, sir, man, no.
So
That's
this is
my
lobster.
friend.
Yeah.
When did you catch these?
Scotch farm yesterday.
Yesterday? Nice. And you beach it in town.
Yeah, take it to whatever trash, you know?
Nice. You've been doing it for how long?
Long time.
So why is he your fishman? What
Come here.
about this guy that you're choosing to buy it?
Okay. My friend introduced me to him about 30 years ago.
Uh-huh.
Me and that friend is no more friend. But me and him is friend.
Yeah.
And this home become my home.
Oh, so
Yes.
we could come here and
Yes, man.
open your fridge and drink beers and all your stuff out your refrigerator?
No, I'm not being
You got
sad.
no beer in that. So what I would do now is this: when I want to have a day by myself to enjoy my good life in Jamaica, I would prep all my vegetables and everything, and get my ice box with my liquor and my juice, my water, everything, and I would come here, and there goes my fireside right there.
Whoa!
Yeah.
So we could tell all the people in America to come right here.
Yeah. Yeah. keep
Right?
it
If you
right.
want, if you want.
This is the freshest fish
You want.
in Jamaica. Alligator pond.
Yeah, yeah.
And your first name?
Dian.
Dion. So, brethren all over the world,
Yeah,
seem
that's
that I brought you.
Yep.
This is where you're gonna cook the fish.
Fish, yep.
I'm showing you everything. You'll get the fish from Dion.
Yeah, fish, lobster,
Man,
come.
I feel like we should cook today.
Oh boy, you say the word on its own. Or you open your fish pot if you need some fish and you can get the scale.
Skill man, yeah.
No, they say you must call mama upon the phone and the lady will come up the guy over here.
Who's ever got more?
Mama over there, you see her.
See ya?
So you must call me if you know nobody over here for scale. Or you have to call the scale.
Say call she.
Call she if you don't have the scaling man over here and send somebody come. If you don't have nobody over here. Or if you have the number for the scaling man, call the scaling man.
Look at this. We could actually pick Aki.
Yeah, my phone.
Right. Look at it.
Pick it up here. The Aki tastes good is a shame.
But me tell you, me assume
Yeah, man, I cook lobster.
give me a bag, man.
Yeah man, that's the end part them.
So this is your house. So you build your house from the business.
Yeah.
You used to be a fisherman yourself?
No.
You free that sea.
Go and buy, no?
Or you just find some?
Buy from the fisherman.
You don't want to be lost at sea. You stay upon land when you can run.
There's a land, man. See, occupy the tree there. But Dion, you also
Well,
occupy your tree. You don't
youngster.
even pick them.
Yeah,
Last time I see there.
Yo, come here now.
Look here.
Come give me some Aki. Come here, gangster.
Okay, guys. I'm picking Aki with just my
Beer hand.
bare hands. Didn't have to climb the tree, bro.
They use to make like a salad. Cook it up.
Cook it.
Or like season up and...
Yeah, cook it whenever time.
Yes. Recording, so I want your permission if I record you. No people know.
Offended.
Alright? So if you...
No offense, man. Happiness, man.
Alright, yeah.
You look say yes.
Okay, what is it, man?
Alright, I'm ready for it right now.
You got cast, you know.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, keep.
It depends on how they want it. I don't know what happened. You have to change the film. You got to tell you. Thanks, baby. Come to when I go to go up now. Are you with the other private scale fish? We just ready to call over to get somebody to come. Hey, come here.
Then the other Thursdays will come.
Oh, dear, I tell you. Come here, man.
No,
Yeah,
you need to pack it back, man.
The parrot have in it. The parrot enough meat.
Alright, yeah? Oh, cook.
How much weight are they? Pull it up. No, yeah, you know.
Well, put me two, sir.
What? How much are they?
2 pounds. Two.
That's how much for it.
No, about three
Look
and a
like
half.
one phone, you know.
3.5 pounds.
3.5 pounds. You want to make coffee for?
They could be born.
What's that one there?
And that the one me yet.
What's that?
No, man, me don't say me no eat it. Me don't say nothing wrong with who no eat it. Me just
Okay,
tell you
poor man.
my type of
Go
fish.
snap
me
on
love.
it.
You have enough slap in there?
No, man. Yeah, man, enough in there, man.
One pound.
4 pounds. Stop at that.
4 pounds. What do you say about that?
Yeah, man, that's good. You're not no crab. No.
No, stop back. No, man. Wait.
When you're crab up by yard, so me alright. How much money you have here? 2.6. With scaling. Alright. You have any lobster tail? You know that it's a lobster tail? You have any lobster tail? You have lobster parts? And that me can hang. We have to cook up that. No, we have to carry up everything today. Because they have other things that go.
That cook nada?
That now cook. And
Don't cook.
that
Okay,
cook.
alright.
Pound of the lobster meat there.
Yeah, man, the fresh one.
Oh, yeah, I'll get some vegetable and hook up that with some vegetable and some yellow yam.
By your place. Yeah, man, then you cook, man.
Alright, so that's about it.
So now we know if we get to fish.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, come with for this, you know.
How you sell the fish a pound?
600. What accident happened yesterday, man?
How is why the accident happened?
I might go in.
My gully? Your sister-in-law died in it? Your sister-in-law?
Oh, sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that.
A taxi? Are we to run over a cliff or licking or something?
Well, if I would have run a bush or something. Speed, man.
Speed. The driver, the man.
But not that we do him.
Aye. He didn't go dirty curve there and the road narrow like I don't know what.
Where him come from?
Not here.
Aye.
So him come from Manchester, but he must
You,
be-
from Manchester?
Yeah.
Where Manchester?
Near Cricket, Norway. You're not gonna know Norway.
You know, Craig do it.
Yeah, nobody know Norway.
He said, me know Craig.
I know.
Me have cheat in the one Craig right now.
You have three
Me
what?
I carry you up
Me
with me.
have cheat in the back Craig right now.
That little
Yeah,
boy,
yeah.
you know. Come here, man. You know
Up
nothing
near
with
the
you.
mountain.
You want that little boy up here, but
You know,
yo.
nobody Craig.
Nobody with that to the boy.
No, we just say Craig because you know where we live.
Yo, me want to carry you up here, go make you live up here. You hear?
You have Craig on the border. And
You know,
And me
good
want to
thing-
live up there, me want a little boy around the yard. And me choose you. Alright? I choose you if you go live with me up a yard. So don't tell me no. Me I tie you 2 foot like hog and take you up a yard with me. A long time me want to catch you, you know. Yeah, man, me want to carry you up a
Yeah,
yard,
go for the
man.
rope, Chubby. Go
When
for
you
the
come
rope.
down here, you're a sweet boy, you know, and then
Chubby.
daddy I said
Go
something,
for
daddy
the
me
rope
and that, you know.
You want the rope out of the can?
Yeah, man, I time up, man. The last time, me said, you catch him and you
Now go
roll
for
me
the
back.
rope.
This your time, yeah.
Now go for the rope.
This your time, he's almost. Me can't take him up. Yeah, man, you give daddy duck trouble down here, man. Me see I run street down and things there.
He start crying.
Alright, go on to that. Go on. Let go me here. Go on.
You know, trouble you,
Let go me
you
here.
want not trouble you, man. You want not trouble you, man.
I don't understand why you don't want to come with me.
Look how long
And look how after me come here, you can go look for daddy.
And I'm father, you know. I'm father.
Daddy, that. Because of him, man, me see my job safe in
Oh, night, yes. Tell me.
Yeah, man. That's the one. Oi, I want to carry you up, man. When you come down there, you're a sweet boy. Why you don't want to come with me?
What you having a big one?
Oh, you're doing some shoot?
This for YouTube, Jamaica Good Life. We're trying to rebrand Jamaica Good.
Yeah, me understand.
Because every time they must say Jamaica the worst place in the world.
Yeah.
Return residents don't want to come back.
True.
So we're trying to show them how beautiful and good.
Jamaica
How
is.
to move. So
Yeah,
how would you
yeah.
recommend the people? Look over I get free aki. You
Alright.
can't get the safari, nothing free.
You know, see them there.
So them the people.
Me I tell you, man, they eat good. They not broke up at all. Me say me enjoy the Sunday, man, boy. Me remember you, Ian. I remember when you said to me, say, you go enjoy this akia because the akia stand up in a pot. And then, the other day when they were foreigner, them did there with me. Look aki, man, me I tell you, when me don't eat it, me feel like eating more. And as me come and me see one at the boss here show me the one says aki, them, me say, yeah, he did remember. A good aki this year, man. All people who are going foreign, them aki they must have the carry because aki stay together. They broke up. No, so,
Okay.
yeah, man, them are real tough, but when you cook them, you know,
So the hard aki are the better one.
yeah, man, the hard aki are the better one. The butter aki ain't no good. It just crush out very fast and turn pot in your pot. You need the
So
aki.
we'll
Them.
get the taste from the man.
Yes, man, we are already man. We are hook up.
It's right in food, yeah?
We'll get
Come
mine.
like come cook so you can.
Oh, you man tell how long that?
30 years, man. 30 years.
Disbelieve him, the man.
It is the year.
You disbelieve him? When I eat is the air. When I eat is.
Yep. Yeah, it is, yeah.
Wow.
For me just start travel go foreign, let me tell you when me start go foreign. About maybe 4 years, 3 or 4 years into it, me meet him.
Come on, you relax and cook and you do anything, man.
Oh, it's here straight until morning.
So you have to rent out a place, man.
The music are playing the van like this in England.
So you have a place for the local white girl and come rent out and stay.
Right down spot you come from?
Down there, sir?
Hotel, no, down river.
Are them a place rent down there?
The man hotel they right the
Okay, where you hotel name?
Sea Rib.
Sea Rib.
Yeah, Sea Rib.
Sea Rib.
Yeah, Sea Rib hotel.
Okay. And fish all the time. Got the best fish this. And then fry it up here and things.
Yeah, man.
Yes. Get some carrot.
Give me the fish, no, man.
Let me go shoot a little watch and come back.
Yeah, we are going to shoot a little watch, but you just we have to secure me.
Let us shoot a little watch, man.
I'm going to go down a little watch. All right.
Yes, man.
You want to walk around a little watch?
Yeah, man. Let me. Good to have friends.
Yes,
30 years.
30 years now.
So now people don't have a friend. Just tell them Lambert send you.
Yep.
Come cook some food and relax.
Yes, cook some food.
Easy Jamaica. When I walk.
Yeah.
So when I walk, I look at watch it.
Yeah, we walk a little watch now.
Oh, slippers, yeah, road boy, I know. Yeah, the phone, right? These are the best, one of the best quality recording device in the world now.
Oh, yeah?
iPhone 10.
Mm-hmm.
In the top, 256 gigabyte, the compressed hard. You can record for 8 hours for the whole day and don't turn off the phone. So when I walk around, the people them like to see me. Actually, can them go everywhere with me.
Right.
So when me said so, more time you see me said so, I hold the phone sideways. Sometimes I act like I have it on the ears.
Yes, yeah.
You see me?
Uh-huh.
And slow motion and different things.
Aye.
So when them see Jamaica in a 4K,
Right.
when them see Jamaica like this, them say, yo, Jamaica nice.
Yes, nice one. Nice.
This is Jamaica Good Life.
You know what, man? When we come to conclusion, everything have to go on in the world right now.
Yeah.
To make the world what it is. That's the world.
Yeah.
You understand? Good, bad, indifference. You know what I mean? If you see danger over there, you make a left. It's simple like that. You don't go up into danger. If you see craziness going on over there, leave it alone. It's not yours. Those people enjoying craziness, let them stay there and enjoy.
Oh, that's a beautiful view.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's the sea right there.
Wow. Look at Ochi, and the hotel name is Sea View.
Sea view, I think is the name.
Alligator Pan. Just search for Alligator Pan
Yep.
and come hang out and live on a life.
Yep.
Live life and happiness. Wow.
Yeah, getting the good sea breeze, you know.
You have to do it easy. Look at Ochi.
Yes, it is. It's quiet now, but
Maybe we can see them a fire fish.
we don't know if you can go on the other side. You can look inside and see the right. They cook shop maybe.
I like to speak to intelligent. I say I go buy my food. I say I go buy my food. Ron, man, take your place, you know. I buy some food, you know. My treat.